For most students on this question, you should just go ahead and skip it. This is not a good use of your time unless you need to score a 32 or above on the math section. So first thing you need to know to be able to solve this problem is the inscribed angle theorem, which just states that from any diagonal, any 2 points on the end of a diagonal of a circle, any other point that you connect those 2 points to on the circle is going to have a 90-degree angle. And so that's what we have here with angle D. It is coming from 2 endpoints of a diagonal of the circle. So we know that it is a 90-degree angle. And that's important because then we know this is a special right triangle of 5, 12, 13. And if you don't have your special right triangles memorized, there are only 4 of them. This will save you a ton of time from having to do Pythagorean theorem, and most of the triangles on the ACT are going to be special right triangles. So you have your 3, 4, 5, your isosceles right, your 30, 60, 90, and your 5, 12, 13 are your main ones that you're going to see on the ACT. So we have 5, 12, 13, and we can tell now also, because we know that this is a 90-degree angle, that these 2 triangles are similar. The DAC angle is also a part of our triangle, and 90 is also part of our triangle. And any 2 triangles that have 2 similar angles are going to be similar triangles. And so just to make it a little bit easier to create the proportion, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this triangle in the same shape as what they have theirs. So we're trying to find x here. And so we're going to use 13 and 12 to set up our proportion. And 5 is going to be the same place as the 13. And then we're going to have x. So we're just going to now cross multiply, or you can just multiply 12 times 5, the numbers that are opposite each other, and divide by the other. It's always going to be the fastest, which gets us 4.61 for our length. It doesn't have them in regular format, so I'm going to convert it to a fraction by hitting math, enter, enter, which gets us 60 over 13, answer A.